So far we have seen uh, only single widget we are going to render uh, on the screen. Okay, so if we have more than one widget, then how will I render these list of widgets on the screen at a time? So for that, the Flutter has some widgets like the row widgets and the column widgets. So by use of that widgets, we can put multiple widgets on the screen. So in this session, we are going to discuss about the row widget, like how it works. Okay, then let's get started. So in the body, I'm just adding one widget with the name of row, and every widget has, you have seen, like every widget has a child property. That means it can have one child widget inside it. But as I've told you, like row has the multiple widgets, then the property name is children, and it has the type of um, list of widgets, where we can pass a list of widgets. Okay, so in this array, like we will use the widgets which we have seen so far. Like we have seen a text widget, so I'm adding a text widget inside it, and I'm adding a text hello. And the second widget, we have seen the raised button, so I'm taking a raised button widget. On pressed, I'm implementing default implementation. And the second property is, for the button text, we have to add a child text widget for adding a label on the button. Then raised button, and I'm giving a color of this button by use of color property, colors dot red. I'm using a red button. So it's a raised button, raised button, and here just remove it. And we have seen the container widget here also, so I'm going to add one more widget, that is container. And we have seen a container has the child property. First we have, I'm going to add a padding to the container, so as insets dot all, I'm adding 20. And container also can uh, take a child widget, so I am adding a text uh, container. And we can also add color for this container, color dot colors dot green. So I'm taking green with 300 strength. Okay, then so in the row widget we have added a text widget, raised button widget and container widget, and just run it. So here you can see the text widget, raised button widget and the container widget. And so the row, in the row, if you are add a multiple widgets, then it will show horizontally on the screen. Here you can see. So if you, but it is not looking good, like it is uh, at the start of the row widget, then it is not looking good. So the row has some more properties to adjust the list of widgets. So one is main axis alignment. What it does? First, I'm add a main axis. So there is a class main axis alignment, and it has a different properties like center and space around, like this. So if I add a center, then I run it again, then you will see all the widget of the row will be centrally aligned. Okay, on the main axis. So this is the main axis. The horizontal axis is the main axis. So it is centrally aligned on the main axis. Okay. So if you change uh, space evenly, then run it again, then you will see the difference. It will take space evenly around the widgets. Okay. And if you, and the start is the default one, that that the widget is taking by default, and you can add and, or you can add space around. So you can play with these options. These has different behavior. Here, like space around it, if like this widget is taking space from left 10 pixel and take 10 pixel right side, and this is also taking 10 pixel, then it becomes 20 pixel. So it is like of that. Okay. So this is main axis. Or if you want to manage these on the cross axis alignment, that means if you are going this way horizontally, then you can use main axis alignment. If you stretch or put the widgets on this axis, that is called cross axis alignment. So like here you can use the second property of the row, that is cross axis alignment, and cross axis alignment center. If you use center, then you will see the difference. Here on this down axis, that is cross axis, and the last element height, that is the container. So every widget are in the center of this alignment. So it, the cross axis alignment has the size from here to here, the bigger one widget. So here you can see hello is in the center of this height, raised button also in the center, and container also in the center. Or if you change the start, that means the all the widget will be aligned on the top level, vertically top level. See, so so this is the main axis horizontally, if you align the widgets horizontally, or if you align widgets on the vertically or on the cross axis alignment. So the second property is cross axis alignment. By use of this you can uh, align those widgets. So this is all about the row widget. So thank you for watching this video. So in the next session we will discuss about the column section or column widgets. uh, so please like and share this session or this video, and please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.